Hello everyone, I am David Lewis. How frustrating is it after you've spent time with a customer, you've selected a car, and then you've presented them with your numbers, and then they reply with, "Let us take this home and think it over." It is extremely frustrating. So what makes a customer make this statement? Well, the answer is simple. Throughout your sales process, you were never able to lower their defensive postures enough to want to make a buying decision today. Maybe you rushed them through the sales process. Maybe you selected the wrong car. Maybe you asked them trial closing questions that warned them of your intentions to sell them a car today. You see, the sales steps were not designed to close the deal. They were designed for the customer to select the car they love, to get the customer to like you, and finally to provide an environment where the customer would want to do business at your dealership. So if you want to avoid the "I want to think about it" objection, then focus more on lowering the customer's defensive posture throughout your sales process, and focus again on finding a car they love, having them like being around you, and create that environment where they would want to do business with your dealership. Save the closing questions to the end when you actually ask for the sale.